Let's make fall dog treats with peppers, spirulina, and kefir. You won't need a blender. Add 1/4 cup of chopped up peppers into your mold. To a bowl, pour 5 ounces of plain kefir and 1/4 teaspoon of blue spirulina. Give it a good mix and pour it into your treat mold. I'm making these frozen treats in the shape of a bear and honey. After you're done filling it, freeze it for 3 to 5 hours, and this is how they look once you pop them out. Blue spirulina is great for supporting your dog's immune system, and kefir is great for supporting their gut health. Keep frozen until you're ready to serve.